In today's video, we will guide you through creating a clustered bar chart in the Report Designer with list and label. This type of chart is ideal for analyzing the sales figures of various customers over the years. Let's start step by step. First, we need to select our data source. For our analysis, we use the Customers Orders Order Details table. This selection allows us to examine the sales of various customers over the years. Next, we choose the chart type. We opt for bar ribbon clustered. This enables us to visually present the turnover achieved in each country per quarter. Now we define the category axis. Since the order year is not directly available as a field, we need to calculate it using the formula year orders.order date. To evaluate data by year, simply enter year orders.order date as the coordinate value. And type year as the text for the axis label. Then we specify the series axis. For this, select the Customers.Company Name field via the Formula Wizard. This helps us to distinguish the sales data of different customers. Now we determine the value axis, which represents the height of the bars for turnover. Choose the sum function to aggregate the sales data. Calculating it with the formula order details quantity times order details unit price. There are also various layout options, including the maximum value setting. Presentation forms like cylinders, bars, pyramids, ribbons, octahedrons, cones. The thickness of the bars, and the zebra mode for the background. On the Chart tab, you can select general chart options, including the projection and color of the axis and the background. Finally, on the Chart Area tab, select the general layout options for the entire chart, including the title and background, where you can make the border transparent, for example. With these steps, you can create a detailed and visually appealing clustered bar chart in the Report Designer, offering insights into sales trends and turnover achieved across different years and by various customers.